In this video, we're going to show you how to install the mass airflow sensor on your Toyota Camry located under your hood. Using a 10mm socket in your 1/4" ratchet, loosen the bolt on the ground terminal. Wiggle that terminal, slide it off, and set it aside. With the ground terminal disconnected, locate your mass airflow. It is right here in the air filter lid box. I'm going to start by disconnecting the connector on the back. Press down this little tab, pinch that, and slide this off. When you use a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove these 2 screws. Don't lose them. Grab the sensor, you twist that, and pull that up and out. Go ahead and take the sensor. Now there's a rubber O-ring around the perimeter here that's going to seal up inside. Line that up, gently work that down into the lid. Let's go ahead and install the screws. I'm not going to tighten that one down yet. I want to get both of them installed first. And then just snug those down. Install the connector. After this here, you want to go ahead and connect the ground terminal on the battery. Now don't forget, if you happen to have a check engine light on due to this mass airflow sensor, you use a scan tool, properly clear that code, then you can go for a road test. Grab the ground terminal, install that, press it down as far as it'll go. Using your 10mm socket, go ahead and snug this down. Once you feel it snug up a little bit, continue to go a little bit more. Give that a good wiggle, make sure that it doesn't twist. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.